expensive. Like to get like to get the Carl mask with the drill, it's like $30.
Yeah, fuck that. Now, we could probably just have them 3D printed, right?
Yeah, that too.
Just a thought. All right,
What
so
difficulty
what
does it have to be?
Hotline Miami. On harder or above.
Oh, that's nothing. We can do this in our sleep. Let me switch over to a good build, though.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Still.
Alright, I'm going to go with my crossbow build because I'm stupid.
Ooh, very hard. Nice.
Mission.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, let's see here. I'm going to bring Carpenter's Delight because I'm feeling hot. You know what? I feel like this is a Hotline Miami kind of mission.
You little dodge guy. Girl, I should say.
You can be a dodge guy if you want. Whatever makes you happy.
Well, no, because like on my inventory page, I'm still Jimmy, but when I exit, I'm Clover.
Okay, did they not give a primary weapon for this pack? If they did not, I'm going to be very upset. They did not.
Use a particular weapon or type?
No. I'm just suiting up because I'm Jacket doing Hotline Miami, and I thought I'd dress the part.
We find a cleaver. I want to use the cleaver and be like biker.
Shit.
Heck is the cleaver. So now I have the Hotline Miami pack. I hate looking through this damn. I don't remember what the rabbit one is from though.
Graham?
Yeah, Graham.
Graham one. I want to say Graham is walks fast. I'll check here in a second, but I'm pretty sure it's just he walks fast.
Oh, the reason I didn't recognize it was because in Hotline Miami he's like brown, and then in here he's white.
Yeah, it doesn't look right to me either, honestly.
But yeah, it's walks fast. And then the dog was Dennis, or
Dennis is one of the dogs, and he keeps dogs from going hostile towards you, I believe.
Well, I'm all ready.
Chairman's got my build.
Pretty much.
Oh, you're dodge build, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I'm still coming in heavy. Let's see here. Where are the Hotline Miami weapons? I want to see them real quick. Oh, here they are. Cleaver, baseball bat, fire axe, machete. What else could I use? I can use Carpenter's Delight. Yeah, I'll stick with Carpenter's Delight. It's a hammer. You guys know what that means, right?
It's hammer time?
Exactly. Okay, so you guys see the job overview site or thing up at the top, and it goes all the way to day 7, but we only ever have at the most day 3.
Yep.
What if they gave us a 7-day mission?
Oh gosh.
This means what? Who's drawing on the thing?
Judging from this,
there's
my
Chairman.
assumption is it's Rue.
Chairman's doing his little smiley face.
Niv is a dork. Lovely.
Hey, don't put nostrils on it. You ruined it. Oh, there's boogers. Very mature. You guys are just being mean. Oh, you guys are horrible. I'm guessing that's Niv that's scribbling. Yep. Oh yeah, Niv, here's what I think of that. There you go. There, that was for you. I could posted a video that was just pre-planning, and then it just somebody going to fucking he drew a dick on it, and then it was just the dentist saying "excellent" very loud.
I think
you put that on the chat. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yes,
did.
yes.
It was good.
It was very good. I approve.
The planning is very important, and it just has to enjoy the ding dong.
Great. Okay, this SMG looks fucking sick. It's all 80s out. Huh.
Ooh, this 9mm SMG ain't bad.
Wow, I've never used this weapon before, even though it's Jack's signature.
Well,
I got the
now you
crowbar.
I may change that. I like that, Clover. Hands up, me. Murder.
Well, I usually say hands up and then shoot them anyways. It's just,
There is no mercy here.
I didn't say move. Okay, Jimmy.
can. Where are the rest of them?
I hear one yelling. I wish you could throw the cleavers. Be like
Agreed.
biker for real. Oh my god, when I first played Hot Miami, he kicked my ass for the longest time.
Oh no, he's
Like,
such a bitch.
I think I had a harder time with him than I did with what's his name's bodyguard. I think they just call her the bodyguard.
Oh, yeah, she's just the bodyguard.
Yeah.
No, Biker gave me so much trouble on that goddamn game.
Yeah, he's like the first real boss, and then he just comes up and fucking one-shots
It's
you.
like the first
what?
mini boss was that one guy, the fucking
Fat guy with hooker, right?
yeah, the fat guy with the hooker was really hard, and then you started seeing him on every goddamn level, and sometimes multiples.
Have we even got the last guy?
No, we can't.
I'm looking for him. I'm up top looking for him.
Okay, we got him.
Okay, there we
Someone got him.
Alright.
go. Or the timer ran out, whichever came first. Oh, I can see him. He's literally running. Fuck this guy.
Oh.
I'm going for him.
I got
found
him.
The door.
He's right here. I got him. Fuck that guy. Let's find some gas.
Dodge builds away.
Oh my god, this is the build that has all of the stamina. Ah.
Well, there's some
Holy
gas
shit.
by the dumpsters behind the
This hammer
gas.
does 80 damage a hit. Not even charged.
Alright, we're good.
Dodge build high five, meow. Come here.
Whee! High five!
High five with our melee weapons.
We're too fast!
Too fast. Someone put gas on here and then didn't even, or maybe it's glitched. I don't know.
I shot it 3 times and I gave up.
Yeah, it's not gonna go off. Oh, never mind.
God,
Stick that in your dodge build
snipers.
and smoke it. Oh, I can also reload while sprinting. I just remembered that too.
Oh yeah, I need to
This is my
fucking
crossbow
get
build.
that. What build? I mean, what tree
It's
is
Kilmer.
that on?
It's in
And the
Mastermind. It's
mastermind
Kilmer.
tree.
Oh, okay. I need to actually get that. That would be really useful on this build.
Right? No, I did it for the crossbow build. I just didn't switch off the crossbows.
Is there not a meth lab on this difficulty?
Sometimes it doesn't spawn. It's not always a sure thing.
Yeah, I don't know where that's.
Pig asshole dog fuckers.
Oh no, it's here. Okay.
Well, Nichols, you want to cook?
Oh, sure, yeah, I can cook. Just finding ingredients. There seems to be 2 sets up here.
Someone move these things up here. Nice.
That would be Rue. He was being team player. Rue is
No,
credited-
my civilians got blown up with the gas station.
Oh.
Well,
I had
someone move
nothing
my
to do with
cities up
that.
here.
Wait, were they the ones at the top of the stairs? These 2 guys?
Yeah.
Oh, they were already there. I just tied them up.
Oh, okay.
Hold that thought, guys.
I'm not a team player, but you know, I do things sometimes.
Nichols is credit to team. Pretty much anybody but me is a
Who
credit
put
team.
ammo down on the street? By the way, that was
Where?
yeah. It's like right. Well, it's like right outside the room.
Oh, that's the dead drop.
Oh, okay. That's a dumb place.
I like it placed there.
Well, you have
Gives
armor
me
on.
ammo. Exactly. I don't go to the party without favors.
I'm never
Okay, Nicholas,
invited.
you gotta look at this weapon.
Huh? I don't know what you're talking about.
The weapon I'm using right now, it's all 80'd out.
Oh,
It's all
I'll be there in a
fucking
sec.
blue and purple sprayed.
is that a skin?
Oh gosh. there's a lot of
It's not a skin. It's just it's one of the mods. It actually increases its damage.
Oh,
It's a little crazy.
no, man. Is cooking meth on very hard even worth it?
Not really.
But there's nothing else to do at the moment. Ooh, Captain.
Speaking of something to do,
Oh.
let me take care of these snipers, and then I'll help you guys deal with them.
Alrighty.
There we go. Oh, I was low. Let's see. And oh, I missed again. What? Fuck.
Oh, I don't see him over here. He must be over there.
He might not be here yet. There we go.
Where is he?
He's probably upstairs waiting. Well, he might not be around the corner yet.
Oh,
Oh,
there
here he
goes.
comes. He just got here. Okay. So, explosive crossbow.
Shit, I forgot to equip grenades.
Alright, there goes part of him. There goes more of them.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
he's
think he's
leaving.
retreating.
Yeah, we're done.
Glad
Wow.
we didn't glitch him.
Everybody head downstairs. Oh, yeah. Nichols, were you with us for that?
No, what happened?
Awful.
We glitched the captain on a Lesso heist, and even though we got him to leave, we were too fast. So even though he left, the wave never ended
Oh, wee, owie.
on Death Wish.
Yep.
It was no, that was when we were playing with Burger King, wasn't it?
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why
yeah.
she wasn't there.
It
Yeah.
was on Death Wish.
It was at his request we played on a Death Wish mission, and I was like, oh, okay, sure, whatever.
Who are you playing with?
One of Chairman's friends.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Girlfriend's cousin.
Girl cousin's friend.
We actually did pretty good though.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got
considering
pretty far.
we almost finished the mission with a never-ending wave of Death Wish cops.
Got a video of it online if you want to watch it, but
Oh, I don't have good drills. Does somebody else have decent drills?
Nope.
nope.
Okay.
Nobody. Wait, you're not playing Attack Force right now?
No, this is my build for crossbows. It's a little all over the place.
I'm gonna run through this method and then I'll
Oh.
get down.
That's right, you weren't there when I made this build either.
Yeah, buddy. I've been going to bed early.
No, this happened before you got on yesterday.
Wait, this wasn't for lab rats? No.
No, this is the build that I built with Rue yesterday, and you
Yeah.
came in at the end of.
It looks like it's open.
It's open. I can steal sight while moving, and I can reload while moving. So that's nice. I can reload while sprinting.
So he's in downtown, which is cigars.
Cigars? Okay.
Cigar.
And I just found some.
So did I.
Damn.
Damn. Oh, I found some meth ingredients, by the way.
Did you pick them up?
Well, yeah.
Found some more.
Right on. Oh, I also have all of the stamina ever in this build.
Oh, meth ingredients here. If anyone wants to get them.
Hey. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong weapon. Let me switch back to what I should be using here. Sound a little tired there.
Yeah.
I have to go in early tomorrow. But I'm only there for a few hours.
Okay.
Oh, cigars over here. I mean, at least I don't sound as sick as before.
Yeah, you sound a lot better than yesterday, but still sick.
Like, yeah, the day after I got sick, I had to go into work, and I had to work for like 2 or 3 days, just sick as a dog. Which, I mean, it wasn't so bad because I wasn't like drooling or just like snotty, but like my voice was just fucked. And my position is just talking to people constantly.
As a cashier. And then they always ask you, are you sick?
It's worse because, like, it's one thing to just say, oh, how did you find everything? You know, how are you? That kind of thing. But since we do a lot of like really high value purchases, we also have our own credit card. So you have to ask them if they have it or if they want to sign up for one.
Okay, he's half dead. Thank you.
There you go.
Clover, get the fuck up!
Don't know who shouted me up, but I appreciate it. Hey,
Well,
look,
we both
cocaine.
shouted at you. I don't know which one actually got it.
Couldn't tell you. I don't ever see the messages anymore about who shouted me up. It just sort of.
Well, it
doesn't
didn't.
display
I
them.
think it was me just because it didn't pop up on my screen. Like, chairman helped up. And I think I was in front of him, so he might have just shouted at my ass, and then I shouted at you.
Nice.
Oh god, shut up!
Shines!
I was hearing behind you in my ear, Clover!
It's
Shut
actually
up,
so
Jimmy.
fun.
Yeah, why did we even open these?
That had a crowbar in it. But you've opened all the boxes already, huh? Yeah. So yeah, there was no point to
Quick,
that
we leave.
crowbar.
Oh, meth ingredients. Yeah, you want to grab them?
Sure.
Throwing cards at you now, because I can't throw my cleaver. Oh, cool! I got it. See, I'm the best. Oh, I gotta go give a little medicine.
What's up?
Yeah,
First aid
come
kits.
take your medicine.
What was that, Chairman?
First aid kits.
Are you kidding me? Why are you in the shower?
You really want to know? I'm fixing things with my hammer.
How many first aid kits are you gonna put down?
I think that's a taste of my own medicine.
He was just chilling out there.
I chased you out of the shower for a little while. What the heck are you doing?
Having fun.
Is that
Stop
a
it.
dose, sir? Need some
No.
help out there, Rue?
No, I'm fine.
There's a shield here, though.
There is.
Oh,
There
and a
was.
taser.
There was a shield here. Oh,
Oh, put next ingredient. Thank you.
got it. Don't worry, I know how to cook, I promise.
Rue, look out.
Oh, another shield. Oh, you got him.
Yeah, I've just gone to crossbow mode at this point. I have the build for it, why not?
Oh,
Shield.
there's a cloaker down the street.
I missed.
Going for an ammo run.
I have ammo on me, I could just drop some.
Well, since we'll be up there for a while, why not?
I mean, I have 2 bags and I've just done nothing with them.
Oh shit.
Nichols,
oh, no,
I see him.
Nichols.
There you go.
Ah, yay.
Ammo's down. Alright, somebody else's turn to cook.
I can cook.
Chairman, yeah, I've done it twice in a row.
Because you're the best.
I did say I was the best, didn't I?
So, tall container
There.
first.
Cloaker somewhere. Oh, that might just be the math.
Do-do-do-do-do.
So this one. Muriatic acid? I think so.
Shit. Alright, I'm free.
Oh my god.
You guys. Hey, I found that cloaker you were talking about, Nichols. You weren't imagining him. Neither was my arrow.
Let's both yell at Jacket.
Alright.
Why? Why do you yell at Jacket? What's he ever done?
I wonder if we both shout at you, are you like 3 times as fast?
Does Jacket actually say anyone's names?
He says Clover, says Dallas, he says a lot of people's names. He doesn't say Jimmy's yet.
I guess Jimmy.
Yeah,
is
I
a
don't
newer
think
character.
anyone else. Yeah. I don't think Clover's is Bodhi. She's like one of the earliest, like, I think she's the first DLC character, right?
No,
Or
that
was
was
that
Hoxton was technically the first DLC character.
Oh yeah, well yeah, but he was free. I think it was Clover,
Oh.
then SoCal.
Yeah, I believe
Right?
you are correct, actually.
Oh, next ingredient. I got this. Caustic soda.
And then was the Japanese guy, and then was Bodhi. Or
yeah,
no, Bodhi's
Jinro.
free to play.
Yeah, Bodhi was playing.
I don't
free.
know anybody that plays Jiro.
Yeah, I don't know anyone who plays them either.
Didn't mean to steal your kill, bro.
I remember I didn't get. I
There's
heard
a cloaker
SoCal.
underneath this car.
People were mad about
Shit.
SoCal because he just had a ton of like unvoiced dialogue, and he just reeked of being super lazy.
He was pretty bad, but he's Russian. What do you expect?
Oh, he's Croatian, right?
No, he's a Russian hockey player.
I thought one of them was
SoCal?
like Croatian. Who am I thinking of? Who's
Bodhi's
like,
Croatian.
No, it was older than Bodhi. Yeah, I'm fucking.
'Cause
Oh, come on,
SoCal's
Niv!
Russian. What did I
Niv!
do?
You shot him. He had his hands up. He was on a nice cushy bush, and you
What?
fucking smacked him with your dumb jacket weapon. I watched you
come
do it, Niv.
Oh, come on. To be fair, on my screen, he didn't have his hands up. I apologize.
Oh, there's a cloaker under the stairs. Hi.
Oh, hello. Okay, you're good.
Cloaker under the stairs. Harry Potter Part 2.
Collect your meth, buddy.
Damn.
Oh,
I'm
I'm already
throwing
done
it into
cooking.
the street.
So next
Oh, you threw it into the hole.
Oh, did I? Ah!
I'll get it. I'll go into the murder hole.
That was pretty funny. I wasn't even trying.
No, it just slid right in. As I walked up to it, it just slid in, and I was like, fuck.
Well, actually, you can throw it up out of the hole.
Yeah, but what good does that do? I still have to go pick it up again.
No,
Niv,
I'll pick
come
it
back up here and get
I'm
a
right
med
here.
kit.
What's a med kit?
Or a first aid kit, whatever.
What's a first aid kit?
The things in the shower that you lit on fire. They might be a little melted, but they're good. They can heal you.
If I just start killing people with a melee weapon, I can recover health.
Yeah, but that
Shit.
requires you getting really close to him.
Well, I'm already getting really close to him.
Whoa! That's a little TMI.
Okay, I'll come get the health kit now.
Come on, let me cook so I can get out of here.
I'm completely out of ammo for this crossbow.
Oh, you've got that other ammo bag, right?
Yeah, I'm about to go use some. Alright, last one.
Go heal. Come on, it's right there.
Oh, fine. Let me reach through what was glass once. Let's go. I like the fact that I have just as much stamina as you guys do, even though you're dodge builds.
Yeah, but we also have perks that give you stamina.
Well, and I have perks that give you stamina. Isn't that fun? I'm
called
telling you, this
being
is
a
a weird
team.
build. This is a very weird build, and I took all the stamina stuff because there wasn't anything else better for crossbows. Alright, I think Nichols is ready to go.
So, Chairman is too. What do you mean, Nichols?
Nichols,
I mean,
Chairman
what else are we
Rue.
gonna do?
What the hell? You just threw me off the fucking car. I mean, whoa, what did you do to the med kit?
I got stuck.
It looked like it.
My accuracy was 19%. Beat that, nerds.
My accuracy was 17 because it doesn't calculate